And not only that, because of global warming, seasonal changes will occur. That means rainfall might occur very early or very late, and summer might be very hotter and winter might be very shorter. So this kind of weather phenomena will occur because of global warming. Now what can we do in order to prevent global warming? Here are some steps taken. So first of all, we have to save our environment. And how can we do that? By reducing pollution. That means reducing pollution means we'll try to use vehicles as much less as possible. That should be done. And instead of using coal and petroleum for cooking food, we will be using some of the alternative method. So here it's written, stop using fossil fuel. That means we'll be using some of the things which runs naturally. So those are known as your renewable energy. That means solar energy, wind energy. Those are renewable energy and which will not cause pollution. Stop burning wood. That means while cooking food, even these days people use wood, so those wood should not be used. Conservation of forest. That means we will try to protect forest as much as possible. We'll try to plant more trees, and we have to follow the 3 R's rule. Now we'll be seeing what are the 3 R's rule. First of all is reduce. Reduce means we'll try to reduce the use of any substance as much as possible. That means any substance, like suppose if you are using any substance, we will try to reduce the use of those substance. Then next one is reuse. So if you are using anything, suppose if you are using a plastic bag to bring some vegetable from the shop, after bringing that, you don't throw those plastic bags. Keep it and reuse for something. Like if you can by doing that, you can keep your toys inside that plastic bag. You are reusing it that way. And recycle. Finally, if there are some broken things at your home, instead of burning them or throwing them, you can recycle those substance. Municipality, they will provide you with some dustbins which can be used for recycling. So that way you will be you can protect your environment from getting polluted by following the 3 R's rule. Next one is conservation of forest. Now we need to protect our forest very much. So usually the danger in which lies in the forest are deforestation. So once deforestation means cutting down of woods in larger scale. So if deforestation is taking place in the forest, what will happen? All the trees are cut down, and what it does, because of that, the percentage of oxygen in the environment will decrease, and the percentage of carbon dioxide will increase. Why? Because the trees they can absorb carbon dioxide. So if there are less number of trees, that means carbon dioxide is increasing, which will ultimately lead to global warming. So we need to conserve forest. We need to prevent deforestation. We need to plant more trees. Next one, conservation of wildlife. Now conservation of wildlife is also related to conservation of forest. So once we are cutting down of trees in larger scale, what will happen? The animals living in the forest, they wouldn't be able to live in the forest. Why? Because all their homes will be destroyed. So because of that reason, those animals, they die. And because of that, some animals may also be on the verge of extinction. Like we have 2 animals out here, tiger and rhinoceros, which are endangered species. Endangered species mean these are those animals which are on the verge of extinction. Extinction means to completely disappear from the earth. If there are no single tiger present in the earth, that means those animals are extinct. So tigers and rhinoceros, they are on the verge of extinction. So we need to protect them. That's why those are known as endangered species. So there are many species in the earth which are extinct now. Why? Because of some problem. Either they became the prey of many animals, or because of a difference in temperature and weather condition. Because of that, all the animals were extinct. So by conserving wildlife, we'll be able to protect this animal, and we cannot imagine earth without any single animal. Why? Because if there are no animal present in the earth, our earth would look very different. So there will be no balance in the food chain. So these are the animals which are very much endangered: the great Indian bustard, Bengal tiger, and rhinoceros. So with this we end the chapter. Now later on I'll be sending you your home assignment. Thank you.